In this video, we're tackling a common bathroom lighting issue where swapping out an LED spotlight causes another working light to stop turning on, and figuring out if wiring or transformer compatibility is the culprit. So, here's the deal with your bathroom lights. If one spotlight dies and swapping it out makes the other one go dark too, it's probably not about the bulbs being wired in series, since that's pretty rare in household lighting setups. Usually, spotlights on the same switch are wired in parallel, so each gets full voltage individually. But those wires behind the socket touching? That's a red flag right there. When wires touch, especially live ones, it can cause short circuits or trip breakers, which might explain why both lights are off. Plus, you mentioned you've got 230V mains feeding into a halogen transformer stepping down to 12V for your bulbs. This is super important because LED spotlights designed for 12V need a proper LED driver, not a halogen transformer. Halogen transformers can mess with LED lights, causing flickering or no power at all. So, if your new LED spotlight isn't compatible with that halogen transformer, it won't work right and can even affect the other lights on the same circuit. Your best move is to check if your LEDs say they're dimmable or compatible with halogen transformers, or better yet, swap out the old halogen transformers for dedicated 12V LED drivers designed specifically for LED lighting. That'll give you stable power and keep your bathroom lighting solid. One of the most common mistakes here is mixing LED bulbs with halogen transformers without confirming compatibility, which usually ends up frying your bulbs or shutting off multiple lights. Another biggie is neglecting to inspect wiring connections. Loose or touching wires behind the fixture can cause shorts that knock out your entire lighting setup. Lastly, people often assume lights are wired in series when they're not. This can lead to unnecessary overcomplication when troubleshooting. The simple fix? Always turn off your breaker first, double check your wiring isn't touching or loose, and verify your transformer matches your bulb type to avoid any electrical headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to find trustworthy local electricians who get this wiring stuff without you stressing. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to pick up gigs, it hooks you up with homeowners needing pros for these exact home upgrades. Win-win all around.